Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on developer mode on using your Android phone. Just keep on watching and let's get started. First, go to Settings and click About Phone. You can tap 7 times the MIUI version, or in the other phone, you can tap 7 times the build number. Now, let's go back and let's go to Additional Settings. Scroll down and click Developer Options. Scroll down and you can now turn on the USB debugging. Beside the USB debugging, you can also turn on the GPU and also about networking. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!